We'll guide you through how to blend images in Pixlr. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because blending images is a popular skill for creating eye-catching visuals on social media, thumbnails, and personal projects. In your desktop menu, type Chrome in the search field. Click to open Google Chrome. In the address bar, type 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗶𝘀𝗀. Press Enter. Wait for the website to load. Click Pixlr. After entering the editor, click Open Image and import your main image from your device. Wait until it fully loads on the canvas before continuing. Next, click Add Image as Layer and import your second image, which will automatically appear on top of the main image. Select the Move tool, then resize and position the top image so it aligns properly with your base image. Go to the Layers panel, select the top layer, and change the blend mode to start combining both images. Try different blend modes one by one and observe how they affect the overall look, then pick the one that looks best for your composition. After that, adjust the opacity and lower it slightly to create a smoother blend between the two images. To refine the result, add a layer mask to the top layer. Select the Brush tool, use a soft brush, and paint black on the mask to hide unwanted areas of the top image. This will help you create a smooth transition between the images. If you are not using a mask, select the Eraser tool and gently erase the edges of the top image to blend it manually. Optionally, apply a slight blur on the edges to make the transition even softer. Continue by adjusting the colors using hue and saturation to ensure both images match in tone and lighting. Finally, check the overall composition carefully to make sure everything looks balanced and natural. When you are satisfied with the result, save or export your final image to your device. Make sure to review small details such as edges, color consistency, and alignment so the blend appears seamless. Zoom in and out to inspect different areas and confirm there are no harsh lines or mismatched tones remaining.